In this video, we will tour a luxurious house in Boca Raton, Florida. This community features homes with 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 7 bathrooms, 2 to 3 car garages, and from 2,500 to 5,400 square feet. As you step inside this charming single-family home, you'll discover a dedicated study located on the right side of the residence. On the west side of the house, the living room is a haven of comfort and connection. It welcomes you with a cozy and inviting ambience, perfect for relaxation or spending quality time with loved ones. Its convenient location and practical design make it the heart of the home where memories are made and family bonds are nurtured. A spacious family room with a panoramic view of your outdoor surroundings is a magnificent place to unwind. The gourmet kitchen features built-in appliances, ample upper cabinetry, and a natural gas cooktop. A modern vent hood, wall oven, and oversized island complete the culinary space. The outdoor space features an expansive patio, sparkling swimming pool, captivating lake views, and an array of amenities. The media room, located on the second floor, provides an immersive entertainment experience with comfortable seating and cutting-edge audio and visual equipment for private movie screenings or gaming sessions. The second floor of the residence includes a laundry room for added convenience. It also boasts 3 separate guest or family bedrooms, providing ample space for relaxation and overnight stays. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. On the second floor, the luxurious primary suite radiates opulence. The spacious master bathroom is a serene sanctuary featuring a captivating freestanding tub. Stepping out onto the private balcony, a breathtaking view greets you. The shimmering pool reflects the sunlight, while the serene lake extends beyond, creating a picturesque scene that captivates the senses.